Hey friends, if File Explorer will not open on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Wait for the list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select restart. That is if it appears. If not, then simply restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. In 99% cases, this will fix the problem, but if it does not, then the issue is with the files of the system. In that case, you will have to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Click on Yes. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable all, Apply, and then OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.